YouTube, what is up? It is the anonymous sneakerhead, the most mysterious sneaker YouTuber in the game, back with another video for you guys today, man. And in today's video, you guys read the title, you saw the thumbnail, you know what it is, man. I have the Air Jordan 1 UNC ready for you guys to unbox today. But if you are new here, make sure that you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Join the anonymous sneakerhead family, join the channel. Also, if you want to support, take the half a second to go ahead and smash that like button. Really helps with the algorithms. Helps bring more people to the videos, which can help grow the channel. And then last but not least, make sure that you go ahead, follow the Instagram at anonymous sneakerhead. You get a lot of information up there. First poll, stories, questions, kicks of the day, all of that stuff. You would have seen me post these right here. Let's get into it now. We have the regular Air Jordan 1 box, black box with the red Nike, nothing special. On the tag, we have a Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG. And the colorway is white, black, and university blue. Without further ado, let's take the top off. And so here you can see the finish line receipt right here. So actually, real quick, these are not my personal pair yet. This is a size 9.5. This is, I think I told you guys, I thought I was going to be able to get this video for you guys Sunday. But I have a friend who he's basically a human bot. He hits everything, you know what I'm saying? He hit 2 pairs of these, actually. He doubled up. The second pair is on the way. In his size. My girlfriend hit my size 12 though. Those are actually going to be delivered to her house today. I won't be able to see her for a couple days, so I'm not going to have mine until later. So I'm going to review my friend's pair right here from Finish Line. Pull the paper back, and here it is. The Air Jordan 1 High UNC or University Blue. All right, YouTube, here we have it. You guys can see right here the Air Jordan 1 UNC, man. These are, to this point, probably the most anticipated sneaker of the year, the most hyped up shoe of the year up to this point. And like I said, this isn't my personal pair, but my personal pair is on the way. And on first rip, like first time I touched these, like I looked at them and expected, you know what I'm saying, I've seen a billion pictures of them, expected them to look like what they look like. But quality on these is really, really good. Now, for the last, I don't know, for a while, I'm going to take this out real quick. For a while, a lot of Jordan 1s that we have been getting have been having that same regular Jordan 1, that regular stiff Jordan 1 leather, you know what I'm saying? Whether it was the Court Purples or the Volt Golds or the Royal Toes, or whatever, insert Jordan 1 there. We've been getting that same, like, not bad, but kind of stiff leather. You guys know what I'm talking about. But this leather right here is really, really good to go on top of a great colorway. You guys can see how soft that leather is right there. Same thing over there. It actually reminds me of, you guys know, one of my favorite Jordan 1 highs, quality wise. It reminds me of the Bloodline a little bit as far as how good this quality is. As a matter of fact, let me grab my pair right here so you guys can just see the bounce back that we're getting from right here, and we're getting that same, yeah, it feels like the exact same leather, which is really, really nice. Now, let's just get into an overview of the shoe, man. You guys can see we got that nice university blue suede feel, super, super soft. It's not long haired, and it's crazy. I'm picking up a lot of different material feels. This suede or nubuck or whatever it is, it's not like a long hair or short hair. It's like super short, right? So this actually, if I was to think of another shoe that it reminds me of, not those right there, but this suede quality on here reminds me a little bit of these, the Michigan 5s, as far as quality of that suede right there. Super, super soft, super buttery. Dope that we have the combination of the buttery leather with the buttery suede. And they did go back to the, well, they've gone back to this a while ago, but the original, you know what I'm saying, tag that we get right there, like last year, the beginning of 2020, whether it was the pine greens or the Court Purples, whatever it was, we started getting that leather tab right there. I personally like the leather Nike Air tab right there, but we're going back to the nylon one right here, regular nylon tongue, nothing crazy on the insole, black insole with the blue, with the university blue Nike in there. These are super clean, man. Now, once again, like I said, this is not my personal pair, but I did hit on Sneakers app, or I shouldn't say I hit on Sneakers app, but my girlfriend hit on Sneakers app for me. They're being delivered to her house today. I'll probably be able to get them in a couple days when I see her. But yeah, man, these are super, super clean. Now, you guys know, as far as I'm concerned, not the biggest Jordan 1 guy in the world. This doesn't change too much. We are getting the UNC 4s dropping at the end of next month, April 28th, I believe. Obviously, things are subject to change. Could get moved up. Most likely, it could get moved back. Probably it'll get moved back before it gets moved up. But we are supposed to be getting the 4s on April 28th. Now, with my personal pair of these, I am not wearing them at all. At least not until after the UNC 4s come out, because to me, the UNC 4s are way better than these. You know what I'm saying? And I'm seeing these in hand. You know what I'm saying? I still think the UNC 4s are going to come out way better than these. I like 4s more than I like 1s, but I'm super happy that I do have my own personal pair, though, because if I can't get my UNC 4s for retail, and I know that resale on is going to be about probably taupe haze. We're talking taupe haze numbers around 400 to, or I'll say 350 to 450, depending on size, right? I'm not going to pay that, but at least I'll be able to sell these for probably 450 to 550 by then, and then take some of that money and put it towards a resale pair of UNC 4s if I don't hit those. Also, I mean, I could also put it towards the Bacons that are coming out, the Air Max 90 Bacons on the 26th. I know that's going to be another difficult shoe to get, but I'm definitely going to try to get those, man. But yeah, man, that is it for this video, you guys. The Air Jordan 1 UNC, the high Air Jordan 1. We got the Wings logo right here. Nothing else to really go over, you know what I'm saying? Blue outsole, just a dope shoe. You guys have seen it a million times by now. But just wanted to put this review out there for you guys, for those of you that watch my channel, man. Thank you guys for supporting. And for the new guys that watch the channel, make sure that you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. You know what I'm saying? Join the Anonymous Sneakerhead family. Join the channel. Also, if you want to support, I don't ask for money or shares or anything else. Just go ahead, take the time to smash that like button. It really helps with the algorithms. That's all I really ask for you guys to show your support. And then last but not least, go ahead and follow the Instagram at Anonymous Sneakerhead. You get a lot of information up there first. Poll, stories, questions, kicks of the day, all of that fun stuff, man. But that is it for this video, you guys. I am the most mysterious sneaker YouTuber in the game. And as always, it's all about the sneakers.